These are the functions turn on. It has a fan function, which is this blue light blowing the room temperature. And this is the auto setting, just blowing continuous heat. And you see here is red, whereas before was blue. So red is blowing out hot heat, and you can adjust the fan speed. And the other function that I normally use is the eco setting, which you can set the room temperature to what you want. There's a timer where you can set it up to 24 hours, and you can turn this monitor light on and off with this option, which is good for while you're sleeping. You want the room to be totally dark. There's a safety switch of 15 seconds for the device to cool down before it automatically switches off. Portable, lightweight, you can take it to any room you want.